You got it, girl, you got it. You like Dyson, you got it, girl, you got it. Stop fight with him, you got it, girl, you got it.
Shut it down, shut down.
In the right for you, make you need to live from the boy too boring him for make you have fun. My kids if you lose, you know more time, you feel for fucking man done. Stop fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. Too nice to him, the boy love him daily, just poison him. Breaking news.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another vlog. I was actually shooting. I'll show you guys the product I received. I've tried out a new setting spray today and chef's kiss. I'm actually going to be using that new setting spray. I feel like it's better than my other setting spray, the one I use. There's just something about mimi na eyeshadow hatuingia nangi when I do it myself, but yeah, it's not so bad. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and become a part of this wonderful family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking this video. So I received this package from Starkicks Kenya. They sent me a pair of sneakers. I want us to do the unboxing. This is the box. These are the shoes. If you're not new to my channel, you probably know this. I'm obsessed with sneakers. I love wearing sneakers. I chose this pair because they're so versatile. It's so easy to style them and they look so cute. Plus, just white shoes just look clean. Yeah. Also, guys, I don't know when you guys will see this vlog. Sijui mbona nilisahau kuambia in my last vlog, but I've been nominated for the Pulse YouTube Influencer of the Year award. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen. Ndio maana nimewambia follow me on Instagram for like those instant updates that you guys can't get on my YouTube, because it takes a bit of time for me to put out the vlogs, yeah? So follow me on Instagram by the same handle, Kim Kadaisi.
We done it all, and that's why it's sad that you don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. Like I know you. You don't know me. You don't know me.
Don't play with us, don't be dishonest.
Lost in translation. Our mind is asleep, running out of patience. Communication. Just
trying to build a platform that allows creators to earn properly, to be compensated rightly, to learn how to become professionals.
you want to know about all that shit that you be saying. I'm trying to help us if you just listen to what I need. I can't tell you why, but now we don't have everything. It's been 2 years, we've got some kids, we've been through hell.
Today's on Saturday. I received flowers last night na sijaziweka kwa maji. Here are my old flowers. Actually zishaanza kukufa. Here are my flowers. I received flowers from my daddy Maua. Makes me so happy to receive flowers. Honestly, I'm just living my dream life. I'm waiting for a package. I'm sure he's almost here. Jamaniambia anakuja. I'm supposed to get an invite for Chaos something. Sikumbuki the details. I'll give you guys the details. But the event, it's like a training session where we're being taught how to make gin. My first time ever. It's going to be so much fun, and definitely I'll be vlogging. So I'm waiting for the invite to arrive. But let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing shorts, and then I'm wearing this Mbana sweatshirt. It's a long sleeved t-shirt that I got from Rep Dog. And then my bonnet. And then I'm wearing my black slippers, all black today. I wanted to wear my pink slippers, but nikaona haita make sense with my outfit.
So we need to sign this one.
Okay. Sawa. 1 minute. The invite is here and it looks so good. I love the packaging. I want to open it up. We see what we have inside.
Travel the world, ran up the bag.
With my name. Period. So here's the package. Guys, this is the most beautiful invite I've ever received. I love it. Honestly, have the gin. And then is your thing tonic tonic and tonic.
You done it all, and that's why you don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me like I know you. You don't know me.
I'm so tired. I don't know who told me to do this decluttering. Siku nimefanya general cleaning. I just got my package. I had ordered a few things from my Dara. I'm not going to show you everything. Let me get rid of the things I don't want to show you in the package. Wameniekea a free sample inside. Okay, let me 1 minute. Nilikuwa nataka dawa ya kudeworm ABZ. I think the last time I dewormed was like 3 months ago, so I need to deworm again. Actually, I get deworm leo, even it's a bit late. I'm going to deworm to kesho naenda church. No, actually no, I'll do it on Monday. I also got Vaseline. The petroleum jelly I use me to make ile ng'ombe inaitwaje Arimis, but ilikuwa imeisha, so I decided to just get Vaseline. And wameniekea the hydrating cleanser.
Okay, bring it down.
Mambo ya watu wawili wachana.
Don't get me wrong, I know it's a lot. Long flights, long nights, fast cars, it never stops. But you could take a minute, just pay attention to me.
So guys, I'm done. These are my new products. Kuna makeup, kuna skincare, kuna body care.
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. I feel the pressure, under more scrutiny. And what I do, act more stupidly. Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosbys, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should've changed them. I guess I should've forgot where I came from. Wait till I get my money right. Then you can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let up the suicide doors. This is my life, homie, you decide yours. I know that Jesus died for us, but I couldn't tell you who the side was. So I parallel double park that motherfucker sideways. Old folks talking about back in my day, but homie, this is my day.
So today is on Monday. Right now it's 3:41. I want to go out for a walk because I've been indoors the whole day. I have my playlist ready with me. I'm doing a hot girl walk. I just want to relax, listen to music as I walk. Natembea hadi huko juu, I think the end of huku. And then yeah, I'll come back and sasa figure out what to make for dinner. I want to put on perfume before I head out. So I'm using my YSL. Not a big fan of this perfume actually. So that's why in a mix now my perfume oil from Miniscence Kenya. So I'll start with the perfume oil. And then ingine nitatumia tu kidogo. I had carried this perfume oil to the coast. Today's on. Hata Zaja ananipigia. Hello? Hello. Sawa, acha niteremke. I don't want to be late. Just wanted to show you guys my outfit. It's so cute. My Gucci shades. Sijui mbona nimeamua kufanya kitu last minute. So these are the shades I'm going to wear. I'm not wearing them now. And this is my outfit. This is my outfit. Say hi. Hi. So guys, we're headed to this Japanese restaurant for lunch.
as we wait for Leslie and Shogo to come to get here for a nice thing. So yeah.
And I'm trying to be yours. Girl, I'm in love with you, baby. And I want you to know that I'm hooked on your body.
Hi gorgeous, how you looking?
Unakaa
vizuri. Nimekumiss.
And listen.
Louis Vuitton, ask about me. Mambo zangu.
Mkoaje wase? Tuko poa.
Hey. Wewe unakunywa?
Mango juice.
Hebu nisikie.
And I'm trying to be yours.
Hi guys. Hi Kimberly's channel. You missed me? Hey, ebu nishikie simu please. Hi guys. Welcome to Kimberly's channel. I'm so humbled and honored to be here, and I love it here.
I need to get married. I can't keep holding your hand. This looks nice.
Yeah, but it looks nice and it smells good.
If you got it, it ain't no question.
Thank you. Today is on Wednesday. I have an event later on today at 5 p.m. The KO event. Actually, ndo nilikuwa nachukua videos of the invite because I hadn't posted it on my Instagram. I also received an invite earlier on. I vlogged you guys so from Radio Africa events, and I've been invited to their all-white party. Zote tu zilikuwa zinakuja na like a bottle, which is really good because it's going to help me stock up on my bar because I want to have a Kamini home bar. So this is the KO one. I've finished shooting the video, just want to move it aside. Ndio I shoot this one because I want to do a proper unboxing. I was not able to get a proper unboxing while they were handing me the package, but the videos they took look so cute. Here's my name, period.
Emotionally invested, showing you all my imperfections. If I want you to take me for granted, yeah. If I were then you could manage, yeah. All through me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give it be silence. This that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all that you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted, yeah.
I'm about to do my makeup. I need to leave the house at 4 p.m. Right now it's 3:03. Adi 3 jafika, it's 2:30. So I want to do my makeup real quick. Ndo nianze kutoka by 4 because I have an event that's starting at 5. So I'll see you guys.
You could do damage. You gon' be body, I'm putting Promise that you won't let me go. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. 'Cause with you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Yeah. Oh, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage. Yeah. Do damage. 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 Damage.
In ourselves, at least we know each other, one influencer to another influencer.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine.
Idea what we do in the factory, right? Yeah. Who doesn't have a gin glass? One for you. One for you.
Thank you.
One for you.
In a robe, I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm, just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you try to lay these arms.
Skin is still glowing. Anyway, so this is Kaya, the corporate body, and we're glowing, right? And she smells so good, guys. Hamdui. You have no clue. But yeah, I hope this is part of the main video.
Definitely. You know, I know people. I hope you know. I actually know people. You know.
Okay,
I'ma leave the door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open. Let you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming through. Ooh, you're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the hate. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the late. Ooh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So
on my wedding day. Yup. I'm going to drink this on my wedding day with my husband and me.
I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl.
Today's on Thursday. Jana nilikuwa nimeenda the KO craft room. So we learned about the history of gin and the process of making gin. It was like a lot. It was a really nice experience. It was so fun. I was so happy and we learned a lot. That's one of the cutest experiences I've had this year, and it's perfect if you want to go there with your friends, maybe for like a girl's day out, if you want to go there with your partner, like a date night. It's really good, really chilled, and you learn a lot, and you also get to make your own gin. Let me show you my gin, guys. Kim and her first gin. I made my first gin, and this one I'm going to drink it on my wedding day with my husband. Definitely junajua bado nitakuwa nikivlog. You guys will see that. Alafu mtakumbuka hii siku ya. You guys see this envelope with my name. Guess what's inside? Yep, if you guessed money, you guessed right. And cash tukapewa hadi like money for transport, which was really cute. I was so happy. Do you imagine they're just handing you an envelope and then you open it up and then inside ni pesa, and you're like, what's this for? It's for your transport, babe. They want you to get home safe. And also we were told not to drive since we'll be doing the gin tasting. You'll probably be drunk, so it wasn't advisable to drive. Naongea mambo ya kudrive ni kama hadi mimi niko na hiyo gari nilikuwa ni drive even if I was not drinking. But it was such a fun experience. I came back home at around midnight.
Got somebody, she is a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Want you right by my side, night and day. No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all about. Girl, I'm so glad he's waiting. No letting go, no holding back. No holding back, no, yeah. When I'm with you, it's all about. All of that, yeah, yeah, yeah. They say good things must come to an end, but I'm optimistic about being your friend. Though I make you cry, I do it with Keisha and Nisha, but that was back then. No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all.
And I missed having you. It's time I come back. Hey.
Good to have you back.
I'm glad to be back.
We're ready for the country.
Girl, I'm so glad he's waiting. No letting go, no holding back. No holding back, no, yeah. When I'm with you, it's
Her body, her skin, her face. You can't even say she's 40.
Yeah, you be the block, but I'm the light to keep the streets on. Know this true, the type that like to keep them on the leash, though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing, believe me. Come harder, this won't be easy. Don't doubt yourself, trust me, you need me. This ain't a shoulder with a chip or an ego, but what you think they all mad at me for? You need a real woman in your life, taking care home and still fly. And I'ma help you build up your account. Better yet, believe me. Make it in the big meetings for the meals. Take me just to compliment the deal. And anything you cop, I set the bill. Better yet, believe me. And now let me upgrade you on a page. You switch your necktie to purple lace. Upgrade you. Let me upgrade you. And now let me upgrade you. Flip a new page. Introduce you to some new things and upgrade you. Let me upgrade you. I can do for you what Martin did for the people. Ran by the man, but the women keep the tempo. It's very seldom that you're blessed to find your equal. Could play my part and let you take the lead, bro. Believe me, I'll follow. This could be easy. I'll be the help whenever you need me. I see your hustle with my hustle, I can keep you. Focus on your focus, I can feed you. Need a real woman in your life, taking care home and still fly. I can help you build up your account. Believe me, when you're in the big meetings for the meals. You take me just to compliment the deal. Anything you grab, I'll split the bill.
What's your IG? And I tell also my subscribers. Guys, I've gotten my makeup done by someone new today. See how I look so cute, right? Ayawambia ni nani?
Hi, this is Sophie.
Asante, kinakaa vizuri.
Oh, You look so nice.
Thank you. And my hair definitely mnajua by the baddest. Haki asanti. Hi guys, so I'm back home and I was just talking to Leslie. Apparently the event starts at 7 p.m. na mimi nilikuwa nadhania inaanza 4 p.m. Sijui mbona napendanga kuzunguka kwa nyumba nikiongea. That's why mnaona nikizunguka. So, na venye nimejitayarisha mapema and my makeup is already done, but I want to make lunch. Niende kama nimekula. I hate going to events when I'm hungry and then get ready. I'm wearing a really basic white dress, but I'm going to dress it up. I think nilikuwa nishawaambia jana. And also let me tell you guys, I think I found my signature perfume, yeah? I think I know what perfumes to mix right now that make me smell so great. Nakumbuka juzi tulikuwa tumeenda hiyo the Jean something event and nilikuwa na receive compliments. Oh my gosh, you smell so nice. I think I did kuna part in the vlog you guys had me being told that. And also today when I went to my hairstylist, after she hugged me, she was just like, and you smell so good as usual. And I was just like, yeah. I love how my makeup was done. It looks so good. It's usually so hard for me to like my makeup the first time someone does it, because this is the first time she did my makeup, and guys, I love it. She knows how to work with dark skin. Also, TMI, we are going to an all-white party and I've started my periods today. But we're going to ace it. I think, yeah, we're going to ace it. We'll be fine. We'll be just fine. So the dress I'm wearing is very comfortable, and like, there's a way, see how to explain it. If you know, you know, like it's okay for me to wear it during my fast day. But they're only fast day and nataka kuvaa white. But I'm going to be fine. I'm going to be very, very extremely careful. But I don't know what bag I want to carry. Bag nilikuwa nataka kubeba, it's still at customs. I didn't pay for it. Ningekuwa nimelipia nizichukue. I'll have a really cute Fendi bag, but I'm going to show you guys that bag ikifika. So I'll probably see you once I'm dressed. Guys, Maria is here. Tunataka kupiga shots.
Hi guys.
Before we get dressed and leave, nguo zetu ni white, so definitely lazima tuvae last minute. So this is what I'm drinking. Then Maria anakunywa Hennessy. Na baadhi mnapendeanga nini Hennessy?
Mimi nipatia ni hangover ndio maana napenda.
Hiyo ndio pombe siwezi kunywa hadi na madawa. Hiyo hadi nikiambiwa nashutiwa nikunywe Hennessy. Ami wananishoot. Sawa takuwa. Lakini ndakunywa baby. Baby, nitakunywa.
I like my life too much. Eri nikunywe kipenya si.
But then nitakunywa
Uliwe.
Aya, cheers.
Cheers to the weekend.
Cheers guys. Cheers guys. Cheers.
Nilewe kulewa.
Kaambiwa speed ni 40. Kusema sawa, haina shida, sijui nini. Si tumeenda. Mimi sijui anaendesha na speed gani. Mimi sinaenda tu. Naona kidogo tumesimamishwa. Sasa mimi nashinda. Ai, na tumesimamishwa nini? Usikia ameenda. Alafu usikia anasemaje? Nimeenda tu 48.
Nani amemwambia anaelewa 40?
Na akaambia kwani ukuambiwa ni 40? Ati nilidhania maybe ni 40 to 50. Huyo mtu akamwambia imeandikwa wapi 40 to 50? Ni 40. Hadi nikamwambia ukirudi, ameachiliwa, nimemtetea, tumejifanya hatujui si wote. Hadi nikamwambia na ukirudi wewe usirudi na hizo mambio zako, uende na 40. Ama atafungiwa hiyo gari huko.
Don't tell him, you ain't need, don't tell him, you ain't need, you ain't even gotta tell him, don't tell him, you ain't need, don't tell him, you ain't even gotta tell him, don't tell him. No, you say you're down with it, won't tell him how you hit the ground with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago, I act a fool, Bobby Brown with it. In it, nobody take me out though. You got gifts, bring them down to South Pole. You know you feeling like you're for a breastplate. Don't you worry about him, I can work it out. Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. said I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do.
Boy, you make me
And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. With 4-5 tips in the city, in the mood, all the blues by hour. Better yet, maybe 2. Let me take you out here. Switch gears, whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Pass you through the sex, sound in the atmosphere. I'ma let you pain safe, so he can make you clean.
We are sit the Henny for the Devin.